Discover the perfect entry point into the world of 3D printing with our top beginner-friendly picks for 2025. These printers offer simple setup, user-friendly features and impressive print quality so you can bring your ideas to life without the steep learning curve. Number 4. Bamboo Lab A1 Mini Combo is a compact yet versatile 3D printer that brings professional-grade capabilities to hobbyists and creators alike. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, it features an intuitive interface that makes setup and operation a breeze. Even for those new to 3D printing, one of the standout aspects of the A1 Mini Combo is its dual extrusion system, allowing users to print with multiple materials simultaneously. This opens up a world of possibilities for creating complex designs with different colors and textures, or even incorporating support structures using dissolvable filament. The printer's precision is enhanced by its high-resolution printing capabilities, ensuring that details are captured beautifully in every layer. Additionally, the A1 Mini Combo is equipped with a robust heating bed that ensures excellent adhesion of prints, reducing the risk of warping and improving overall print quality. Its compact size makes it an ideal choice for home studios or small workspaces, providing powerful performance without taking up too much room. Another notable feature is its connectivity options, which include Wi-Fi and USB support, allowing for easy transfer of design files. The printer also comes with a selection of preloaded models enabling users to start printing right out of the box. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is an impressive addition to the world of 3D printing, and it's quickly become a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that this printer strikes a perfect balance between affordability and high-end features, making it a standout option for anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing game. One of the most notable aspects of the Kobra 3 Combo is its user-friendly design. Assembly is straightforward, allowing even beginners to get started with minimal hassle. The intuitive touchscreen interface simplifies navigation and makes adjustments a breeze. Additionally, its auto bed leveling feature ensures that your prints start off on the right foot, reducing the chances of failed prints due to leveling issues. In terms of print quality, the Kobra 3 Combo truly shines. With a build volume that accommodates a variety of projects, it delivers crisp details and smooth finishes. During our tests, found that the printer handled a range of materials from plot to pet with ease, producing consistent results every time. The upgraded extruder system provides excellent filament, minimizing clogs and ensuring reliable performance. Number 2. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an advanced 3D printer that brings a new level of precision and user-friendliness to the world of additive manufacturing. Designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind, this printer combines innovative features with a robust build, ensuring high-quality prints every time. One of the standout aspects of the Neptune 4 Plus is its large build volume, which allows for the printing of larger projects without compromising detail. Measuring approximately 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters. This printer provides ample space for creative freedom, enabling users to tackle everything from intricate designs to practical prototypes equipped with a high-resolution printing capability. The Neptune 4 Plus delivers stunning results with minimal layer lines. Its upgraded print head and precise motion system contribute to sharper details and smoother surfaces, making it ideal for a variety of applications, including model making, engineering projects, and artistic endeavors. Another key feature is the user-friendly touchscreen interface, which simplifies navigation and allows for easy adjustments to print settings. The printer also supports various filament types including PLA, ABS and PET, giving users the flexibility to choose materials that best suit their projects. Number 1. Creality Ender 3v3 has truly redefined the entry-level 3D printing experience. After extensive testing and assembling this machine, it's clear that Creality has taken the beloved Ender 3 platform and enhanced it significantly. This model offers a perfect blend of affordability, user-friendly features, and impressive performance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. One of the standout features of the Ender 3v3 SE is its improved printing speed and accuracy. With a new silent motherboard and upgraded stepper drivers, this printer operates quietly while maintaining precise movements. The print quality is exceptional, with crisp details and a smooth finish, even on intricate designs. Whether you're printing functional prototypes or artistic pieces, the results are consistently impressive. Another highlight is the upgraded build area and heated bed, which ensures better adhesion and reduced warping. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate through settings, and the added features, such as filament detection and auto bed leveling, simplify the printing process. These enhancements allow users to focus more on creativity and less on troubleshooting. Additionally, the Ender 3v3 SE boasts a robust and sturdy frame that minimizes vibrations during printing, further contributing to its high-quality output. With a community of users and a wealth of online resources for support, the Ender 3v3 SE also benefits from an ecosystem that encourages learning and sharing.